If it's too uncomfortable, then it's we chase everybody away from the table and we're sitting there alone wondering why nobody's showing up. If it's too chill, then it's just regular good old-fashioned work avoidance, where I got enough on my to-do list. And the second I'm clocking out, I'm out, But somewhere in between is like we're getting challenged enough to like really start, putting a little bit of weight on the squat rack for leg day. But not so much that we're throwing our back out or something like that. In between, there's this healthy productivity space where we're actually making things happen. A little bit of challenge is good, right? That's the kind, like we want the students to take a little bit of challenge, like I'm going to take this assignment and I am going to kill it. I am going to write that paper. I'm going to read this thing. I'm going to study for this test. We want them to, a little challenge is good. If it's like the 50-page paper with 1,000 footnotes, it's so overwhelming they're not going to do it, right? And if it's just, take the various colored blocks and push them through the holes and, leave it at that, then you're kind of at too basic. In between, we got something that can challenge those kids. And for us too, to challenge ourselves without overwhelming or doing the avoidance. There's this healthy space in between. That's where a lot of the most helpful work happens.